Hey guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I just wanted to give you a heads up real quick. Everything's going to be shot in that format from here on out, but we're talking about the sleeper bunk remote radio for the International LT and how to activate it. I can tell you real quick. You'll hold the power button, then you'll go through and hold one of these, either the radio, the preset, whatever you want, and then once it's on, it'll tell you, and you have an hour to use it. I'm using it for the TV, as you'll see here. Hey guys, I want to show you another hack I found in this International. First off, that's a scam to listen to nothing he says. Okay, so I got my TV here. The speakers are too quiet. When I got the fan running, the APU, all that, you can barely hear the TV. I like to go sleep to the TV, but I gotta hear it, right? So this is what I did. I got myself a handy dandy FM transmitter. That was a purchase for back whenever I drove for FedEx. We had some older trucks that did not have Bluetooth on the stereo. I like to listen to podcasts, listen to music, and Bluetooth my phone to it, and then that transmits it onto a radio station on the radio. But anyways, I quickly found that that was an issue because going through several different towns and cities, it's really hard to find a blank station. But sitting at a truck stop, no issue. Anyways, you can skip this step if your TV has Bluetooth. This TV does not. So I had to run an aux cable from, or a stereo cable, or a headphones cable, whatever you want to call them, from the headphone out. It still puts out the juice, trust me. Now, over here, that's right, we have bunk control for the stereo, but it only works if you do it like this. Hold the power button until it comes on. Now hold preset. See how it's on Bluetooth audio? We want it to go to radio. I've already got the station set. Listen. That propaganda. So that's what's up. Thanks for watching. If you don't mind, throw the thumbs up. Have a good day.